What's up? Welcome to Beats and Eats. I'm being 5 Stacks, and today I'm gonna do something I ain't done before. We're gonna make some mayonnaise, and with that mayonnaise, we're gonna make some spicy ahi. I hope you're ready. Let's get to cooking. To get started, we're gonna separate an egg yolk from the whites. Once we got our yolk, we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 nice pinches of sugar. Give it a mix. While we're mixing, we're gonna slowly add corn oil, 1/2 cup. As we mix and slowly drizzle the oil in, we'll begin to emulsify. Say that with me. Emulsify. That's the reaction between the oil and the liquid when it begins to thicken. This process should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Before you know it, it'll end up looking like mayonnaise. Give it a taste, give it the spoon test. We're gonna begin chopping our vegetables. 1/4 of an onion, nice and thin. You can chop 1/4 cup of green onions. I prefer to eat a lot of green onions, so I'm about to go in. Now to the main component. Ooh-wee, look at that ahi. We're gonna slice our fillet about 1 inch thick and then dice these into cubes, 1/2 inch to 1 inch. It's up to you. That ahi fever. Now we're gonna make our spicy ahi sauce. I'm gonna use 6 tablespoons of the mayonnaise we just created. That's 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of tapiko, a teaspoon of shoyu, and that was sriracha seasoning. So add as much as you like. Once again, this is spicy ahi. Bring the heat. I like to layer my ahi. It's got some onions. Bam! Hit it with the green onion. One more time with the tapiko. Give it a toss with the hands. Plate it up with some rice, some furikake, shoyu spicy ahi right on top. You can garnish how you like, but me, I just like green onion. And just like that, we got some spicy ahi. You can save your mayonnaise, go ahead, throw that on a sandwich, but for now, I'm gonna try this. So proud of myself.
You should definitely try this at home. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and beats and eats. You know what time it is.